In this video of Ways to Use Business Process Automation, we will look at Vehicle Fleet Management. Business Process Automation integrates your business systems data to enhance fleet management by assigning drivers and vehicles for efficient resource use and faster responses, creating workflows based on systems data for predictive maintenance and safety checks such as tyre pressures, depth of tread, brake wear, and oil and water levels, preventing costly breakdowns and extending the vehicle lifespans. Tracking fuel usage and expenses, helping to identify inefficiencies and reduce costs. Where system data is incomplete, it can automatically send requests to drivers to confirm details of their motoring offences and recent accidents and insurance claims. BPA can automate regulatory reminders to ensure compliance and avoid penalties with respect to driver hours, record keeping, and hazardous or waste materials, with workflow processes to confirm these have been adhered to. Also, it can gather data from all your systems to create and distribute reports on fleet performance, helping managers make informed decisions. For the next video, please subscribe to our channel and visit codelessplatforms.com.